Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bailey Lately Has Plans. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of September in my Plum Paper 7x9 hourly. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so if you caught my plan with me video for my monthly pages for September, you would have seen that this index page totally ripped out of my planner. And so I had to do a little kind of tinkering with an Erin Condren coil clip so that I could clip it back into my book. So that's what that is right there. I pulled a couple of florals from my Happy Blooms book. It's a Happy Planner sticker book. I thought that the peach and green looked good together. So you know me, I can't leave a page blank ever. So that's just the index. And then flipping right into the highlights, we have the Ever-Changing Plans September monthly highlights. So this little script here, this quote, is from Planner Kate. I love it. Hold up, let me overthink this because that is so me to a T. I did not end up working on any projects, and then I will fill in my things to remember for the month after I film this video. But here I have the monthly kit that I used and then all of the weekly kits. So it just kind of helps me remember what kits I've used from which shops. And then these little icons here are from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then this little one here is from Planner Kate. I found this podcast called The Dropout, which is really good. It's about Elizabeth Holmes and a company called Theranos that she created. She's a Stanford dropout, and like at the age of 19 created this company that was trying to create a medical device that could do all kinds of blood tests just from a drop of blood, like a finger prick, like you would when you test your blood sugars if you have diabetes. And so it was this big scam, and she got lots of people, big named people, to invest millions of dollars in her company, and the device never worked. She's actually on trial right now for fraud in the Palo Alto, Stanford area. So this is really, really good. I think a new episode comes out every Tuesday, so I got hooked into that. And then I've still been listening to Best Laid Plans. I did a lot of watching TV and Netflix, Amazon, whatever. Afterlife of the Party was a super cute little like mini series. Flipped was a cute movie. The new Cinderella, like the reimagined Cinderella, came out. I think this was on Amazon, right? Came out on Amazon. Lots of singing. It was so cute. I loved how they incorporated modern day songs into this. It was really good. I did watch The Lovely Bones, which I read this book years ago, back when I was in the fashion industry and I was working at Gap Inc. My friends and I, we would pass books around. Not really a book club, but we would take turns reading books and pass them around. This was one of them, and it scared the heck out of me. You know, I don't do scary. And so when the movie went out, I never watched it. I knew I didn't want to see it because having read the book, I knew what it was about. But Mark Wahlberg's in it, and I'm a huge Mark Wahlberg fan. And so I finally just said, you know what? I'm going to put my big girl pants on and I'm going to watch it. Yeah, it scared me, but it was really good. And then Walk of Shame was really cute. That was funny. And then Only Murders in the Building is a series on Hulu that I'm watching with Steve Martin, Steve Short. Love it. It's hilarious. You should catch it if you're not watching that. Okay, so on to the monthly view. Pretty much all of this came from the kit. This is a Planner Kate script here. And then I think, oh, Planner Kate, obviously, that's her release sticker. But everything else is from the kit. I love these colors. I love the watercolor florals. It's just gorgeous. So, so pretty. I love it. We have a lot of birthdays in September, so every single week there's a birthday. It's crazy. So that's that. And then week one, this is a Fern Creek stickers kit. It's called Flower Fields. I thought it was gorgeous. I love that she does a lot of kits that kind of have like a retro feel. This just screamed 1970s chartreuse, avocado green, like I think our whole house growing up was like this color scheme. And I love it. It's coming back and I think it's so cool. So again, a lot of this is from the kit. These little scripts, of course, are from Phoenix Plans. This is from Ever-Changing Plans. This volunteer sticker is from Planner Kate, and this Habits and Budget Review. These are Nicole Hutch Designs. And then this little gold fun day here, that's a happy planner. But these all came from the kit and from all the little doodads that I got. This little taco down here is also from Happy Planner. So that's everything on week 1. This is also a Happy Planner little script there. I love this. I love the way it turned out. I like how this kind of journaling, this highlighted journaling, when I can fit it in, or when the week kind of lends itself to that, when I have something I want to remember for that week, I kind of have been throwing this in here and there, and I really kind of like that. Because my planners are, I keep them. I actually have them dating all the way back into the early 90s, and I like to look back. It's kind of like a diary, right? Okay, so here's week 2. This is Ever-Changing Plans. Can't touch this. I love this. It's so cute. This washi here is just from my Michaels set that I got, like a kind of like a, I don't know what is 12 pack, 20 pack, whatever. All of my time stickers, of course, are from Phoenix Plans. These two, this little paw print label and then this little basketball label, is from Planner Kate. But these things came from the kit. This is Planner Kate as well. And then this one here is from one of the Chrissy Ann Designs books that I got from Michaels. And then let's see. Yeah, this is from the kit. Everything else here, these little shoes are from the kit. Same with this. Okay, so these 2 habit trackers came with the kit, but then these 2 are from Planner Kate that I kind of mixed in. I love the stack of books. That's from the kit. Oh, this is also from the Chrissy Ann Designs little book that I got from Michaels. So I love this. So cute. Cactus themed was like really popular all throughout the summer. So that's that. And then the next week, this is week 3. This is again a Fern Creek stickers. This is South of France. So this is an older kit that I bought last year that I just kind of had been waiting to use. So loved all of this big, beautiful washi. Isn't this gorgeous? I think this is fantastic. What I did here was pulled in these to-do stickers and this little tennis shoe from leftover bits from an Ever-Changing Plans kit. This is also Ever-Changing Plans, and of course all of my time stickers are always from Phoenix Plans. Again, that same basketball label from Planner Kate. And then this little habits is also from Nicole Hutch Designs. I did something different here with this week. I used this little flag again because I just loved all the prints in here. I wanted to do something there. Not really using this. I might do away with this. I'm not sure. Anyways, just, isn't this gorgeous? Like, I just love this. And I think I have enough stickers where I can try to do, like, scrap out another week next year maybe from this. But this chores here is also from Nicole Hutch Designs. So pretty full week. It was our CEO's birthday, so we went to lunch with him. Oh, this little game sticker, this is from Planner Kate, and then the soccer ball as well. Everything else is Fern Creek stickers. You can tell this is one of the older kits because I have to kind of cut and overlap. I have to do a little sticker surgery up here to make these date headers fit the Plum paper. But now she has actual date headers sized specifically for 7x9 Plum paper. So it's perfect. It's awesome. This kit is one of my favorites. I think it's my favorite of the month. Well, I don't know. This is also one of my favorites. It's hard to say, friends, but this is the first time I've ever used a hand can plan kit. It's called Rustic Florals. I had been waiting for a while, just kind of saving up some money to purchase some of her kits because she has a great option where you can do like this really full bundle. It's $19, which is a little pricey for stickers for a week, but I love it, and you get everything. And I think, again, I have enough stickers where I could probably scrap together another week out of it. A lot of this came from the kit. These here, again, I used 2 of the habit trackers from the kit and then needed 2 more that I just kind of pulled in from Planner Kate. My Walk Otis, this is from Saya Planning. This is Planner Kate as well. Time stickers, of course, from Phoenix Plans. Staff meeting, I love this. This is from Ever-Changing Plans, as always. I've been using this every week. This is Planner Kate. And then all of these to-dos are Ever-Changing Plans. And then here I just used my little clean color dot, my zig marker. And then I think everything else is pretty much, all of these are from the kit, obviously. This is from Planner Kate. And then these cute little graduation, this is Steve, obviously from Chrissy Ann Designs. It's from, I bought like a pack of sheets from Michaels like on clearance last year. So I found that and used that. But this is from the kit. I love the font here. The balloons, no skull, super cute. I love how this came out. A little bit of journaling here. Okay, and then this week here, this is a leftover week. So this kit is from Sticker Me Happy, which I think her shop is closed. I don't know if it's, I know her, okay, let me say this again. Her shop is closed. I don't know if it's permanently closed or if she's just temporarily closed, but I used this last November. I think this is called Mountain Florals, and I love it. I just thought it was so darling. I love the mix of pinks and grays with a little bit of this mustard in here. So a lot of this is, like I said, leftover pieces. These to-dos are from Nicole Hutch Designs. I pulled this from Nicole Hutch Designs as well. My walk Otis is from Saya Planning. This quote is from Planner Kate. Kindness changes everything. When I was doing this, I kind of had the idea of putting the sticker down, but it just looked so bare. So I just did some of my little highlighting here that I do like in my walk area, and I think it really gave some background and a little bit of pop to this quote. This was a really great week. I had lots to journal about. It started out stressful because Emma's car had broken down at the end of the previous week. I couldn't get it into the shop that weekend. I had to wait till Monday. So thankfully we have an amazing mechanic. He was able to get her car fixed and back to us same day. So that kind of took some stress off. My nephew, it was his 27th birthday this week, and then on the weekend we went to go see Joe Coy. So we had originally bought tickets for the Sunday show, but then my brother ended up getting some complimentary tickets to one of the suites from one of his vendors, and so we went on Saturday. So we had both the suite experience, and then on the Sunday we had the floor experience. It was so amazing. It's funny because we always joke in our family that we don't have many friends because our family's so big. We just hang out with our family, but it's true. Like, I went with all my brothers, my mom went, like, it was just so much fun. We were just cracking up. It was a great show. I feel like just so happy for Joe Coy and the success he's achieved. Like, I feel like every time he comes to Sacramento, I'm just going to have to go see him. It's kind of like my love of Old Dominion and the boys in that band. Like, anytime they come on tour around here through Northern California, my friend Becky and I go and see him. I think that's where Joe Coy is with me now. I love him. I think he's hilarious. So lots of fun things. I had just enough leftover appointment labels to kind of get all of my appointments in here. The girls had homecoming too. So again, that was a big weekend for them. And then, yeah, just kind of tracking some of my meals. I walked pretty good this week. Wednesday is usually my day where I don't walk. So that was pretty good that I went walking every day. And then just notes from one of our parent meetings. The school did a meeting on financial aid for college. So just, again, I leave these notes pages blank because I actually take notes when I need to. So cleaning, this is leftover washi from a Fern Creek sticker kit called Flower Market. This was one I loved. I love all of Elizabeth's kit. I keep saying, oh, this was one of my favorites. This is one of my, all of them are. These labels here, these plain labels here are from Planner Kate. And of course, all of my wonderful scripts are from Christine at Phoenix Plans. I did pretty good on all of my cleaning tasks here. I'm pretty darn good with the dailies and the weeklies. Like, that's just my religion, right? Getting those done. I love it that I had the deco stickers from this kit so that I could add them in here. Went kind of floral with it. And then rotating tasks, pretty darn good. Not great. I hate doing the baseboards every month, but they're not so bad. And then this was the kind of the monthly focus was the entryway and mudroom. So we have like a coat rack that Scott made. Like, it's just like this plaque with hooks on it that he made. So I went through all of that. I cleaned out all the sweaters and coats that we didn't need hanging on there. It wasn't like that big of a deal, but we do have a cabinet in our living room because that's our entry is really small and I don't have a mudroom. So Sophie actually went through that cabinet and sorted out, like, we have some school supplies in there. She threw out like dried out glue sticks, stuff like that. And then she went through all of the DVDs that are in that cabinet, made sure they were in their case and like if cases were missing a DVD, that kind of thing. So she really helped me out with that. So we got some of that done. I don't have a slipper basket. Like I said, our entry is really small, so I don't put anything in there. We do take our shoes off when we come in the house, but I always make sure that we put them away, or like I'll let them have like one pair of shoes out there and we kind of just line them up. But okay, so this is my social media spread. As you may know, this is an Erin Condren month view that I clipped out of an old planner I wasn't using. Put it into my Plum paper. I'm using an Erin Condren kit here. This is her Paisley print. These days of the week are from Fern Creek Stickers. I bought 2 sheets, one in this font and then one in more of like a font like this. This monthly sticker here actually came from Orange Umbrella Co. And then these date dots are Planner Kate, and then all of these labels here are Planner Kate as well. So I did pretty good. Like I said, I've been trying to post something on Instagram every day. I did pretty darn good looking at this. I missed a day here, but pretty good otherwise. I tracked my growth. So at the end of the month, I had grown in followers on Instagram by 43 and then grown in YouTube by 74. So thank you, friends. That's really awesome. I love that. It's kind of exciting. These 2 little icons are also from Planner Kate, and then the script is from Big Elephant Plans. So that's just sort of my monthly planning view. I did end up moving some things around. So then again, we had another college planning meeting, so I just took notes there. And then this is sort of my social media checklists. These obviously came from that same Erin Condren kit, and then I just used this script and this script here from Big Elephant Plans, and then this little icon here is from Planner Kate, and then these 2 pieces of washi came from the kit. And then just I draw these in with just a Papermate Flare gray pen, and then I just hand wrote the film edit upload this month. Sometimes I use stickers. I just hand wrote it, just kind of didn't feel like using the stickers there. Anyways, I feel like there were a lot of videos here. This did go up. I don't know. I just didn't finish writing that in. But I think that's it. Yeah, just more notes from that same meeting. So that's it for September. Pretty busy, ramping up to my big meeting in October, but got a lot done. There's lots of good times here, and I'll journal about that on the highlights page. But again, just beautiful kits. Really, really a fun month. This was really fun too. I like that. So I guess that's it. I'll just leave it here. All right, friends, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.